Do you feel that no matter how much financial progress you make, you never truly feel financially secure? It can be challenging to objectively assess our financial situation. By examining fundamental financial metrics to gauge our well-being, we can gain a clearer perspective and a better understanding of our progress. It's common to compare ourselves to others who seem to be significantly better off financially, leaving us with a constant desire for more. Welcome to Nova Society, the world's best finance channel for personal finance. If you are interested in this kind of video content, then this is the perfect channel for you. Make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on our recent uploads. You can pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time is an accomplishment that should be acknowledged and appreciated. Being able to cover your rent, phone bill, and food expenses should bring a sense of relief. In reality, many people struggle to pay all their bills due to a lack of financial discipline or insufficient income. They are forced to prioritize which bills to pay, leading to a whole range of new problems. If you're unable to pay your rent or mortgage for an extended period, you risk eviction or foreclosure. Non-payment of car loans can result in repossession as well. Therefore, simply being able to meet your financial obligations is a significant achievement. You can control your spending. Simply having control over your spending indicates that you're doing quite well. Many individuals struggle to manage their spending, making it difficult for them to make progress in their financial lives. However, practicing restraint in your spending is the first crucial step towards improving your financial situation. For instance, making impulsive purchases or indulging in expensive items like a brand new car without careful consideration can have long-term negative effects on your finances. Exercising responsibility in your spending and resisting the temptation to make impulsive buys can be challenging. With easy access to credit and constant exposure to persuasive advertisements aimed at encouraging excessive spending, staying on track can be tough. If you can resist the urge to overspend, it's a clear indication that you're moving in the right direction. You're investing. While everyone needs to invest whatever funds they can, a significant portion of the population doesn't invest at all. By setting aside some money for retirement savings, real estate, or other investments, you're already on the right path. Even if the amount you invest doesn't feel as enough as you'd like it to be, simply investing in a home for yourself is an achievement that will benefit your future and position you for success. It may appear as though you're falling behind if you don't yet have a multi-million-dollar portfolio that allows for early retirement, as seems to be the case for some individuals nowadays. However, it's important to recognize that this level of financial success is not the norm. Making steady progress with your investments, even if it's gradual, is a noteworthy accomplishment. You're insured. Being financially secure involves safeguarding yourself against potential financial setbacks, and having appropriate insurance coverage is instrumental in mitigating risks. This way, if unforeseen circumstances arise, you have the support of third-party coverage. The specific amount of insurance required varies for each individual, but it's essential to have protection against severe losses. For instance, if you own a home, having homeowner's insurance is crucial, just as it is to have comprehensive car insurance if your vehicle holds significant value. Health insurance is also vital to shield yourself from excessive medical expenses that could have a profound impact on your life. Additionally, life insurance becomes important if you have a family that relies on your income and would face difficulties without your financial support. By having the appropriate coverage, you can avoid facing crippling expenses during unfortunate events. You don't worry about money. When you go to bed at night, you typically experience peaceful sleep, and if anything does cause restlessness, it's usually unrelated to financial concerns. It's natural for everyone to have some level of worry about money, regardless of their wealth. Even the ultra-wealthy may have money-related anxieties. However, if these financial worries don't keep you awake every night, it indicates that you are in a good financial position. Financially stable people can minimize their fears about money because they have control over their circumstances. They approach their financial situation with calmness and confidence because they know they can meet their financial obligations. They take steps to improve their financial well-being by making investments and ensuring protection against significant setbacks. As you continue to make sound financial decisions, your money worries will diminish. You have money in savings. Merely having a small amount of money saved in a dedicated account for unexpected circumstances is an indication that you're doing fine financially, and perhaps even better than you realize. This offers a sense of security, knowing that you have some level of protection. In the event of an unfortunate incident, which is likely to happen at some point, having savings set aside acts as a stepping stone toward building wealth. Even if you haven't reached your desired financial position yet, having any amount of savings is a relevant achievement. Ideally, it is recommended to have savings equivalent to about 6 months' worth of expenses, but even a few $1,000s is a step in the right direction. It's not uncommon for it to take several years to accumulate a well-funded savings account, so there's no need to worry if your savings are currently only a fraction of your target amount. Your net worth is growing. It may come as a surprise, but many individuals never experience an increase in their net worth. Many people witness a decline in their net worth, sometimes even resulting in a negative value, primarily due to excessive borrowing. Student loans and credit card debts are particularly common culprits that contribute to a negative net worth. Observing a consistent rise in your net worth over time is a notable achievement and an indication that you're making progress. It's important to note that your net worth doesn't have to double every year, nor does it have to increase consistently each year. Such rapid growth is uncommon, as changes in asset prices play a significant role in determining net worth. However, if you consistently observe a steady increase in your net worth over extended periods, thanks to a combination of earning income and witnessing your investments grow, it signifies a positive trend. You have manageable debt. Having any debt can be disheartening because it often takes a considerable amount of time to pay off, not to mention the burden of interest payments. However, maintaining manageable levels of debt and actively working towards becoming debt-free is a noteworthy accomplishment. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you see your friends, family, and social media connections effortlessly making lavish purchases, pursuing expensive education, buying new cars, owning large homes, indulging in extravagant gifts, and enjoying frequent vacations. It may appear as if everything is perfect for them, but the truth is that many of them likely have their fair share of debt as well. If they are spending recklessly, there's a good chance that they have accumulated significant amounts of debt. However, this is not always the case, and while there are individuals who make substantial purchases without any debt, appearances can be deceiving. Making any progress, no matter how small, in reducing your debt is something to be proud of, regardless of what others may be doing. You have a steady income. You don't need to have a 6-figure income to be considered financially well off. Simply having a stable source of income is a positive indication that you're in a good financial position, and it's important to appreciate the regular money coming in. If your current earnings aren't as high as you'd like them to be, don't worry. It's common for most people to feel that they aren't earning as much as they desire, but that shouldn't hinder your progress. There are always opportunities to enhance your income, whether it's through finding a new job, gaining additional qualifications in your field, or exploring new avenues of generating revenue. Your income serves as a valuable tool for building wealth, and the money you earn will enable you to make strides in other areas of your financial life, such as paying off debts, making significant purchases in the future, and ultimately achieving financial freedom. Building wealth is a gradual process that demands time and patience, and by recognizing these smaller milestones, you can make the overall journey smoother and more gratifying. What truly matters is acknowledging the smaller victories along your financial journey, even if they may seem like incremental steps towards attaining a wealthy lifestyle and a wealthy mindset. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.